day.
There's Apple's under pressure.
You buy stocks on Tuesday and sell them on Friday.
The market is as volatile as you'll ever see.
Traders saying this is the craziest day they have ever seen in these markets. Veteran traders saying they've never seen anything like it.
This video is sponsored by the award-winning Daily Market Movements trading platform. To open a live or demo account, simply visit dmmtradingplatform.com.
Hello guys, and welcome to Daily Market Movements. It's Max here, and today we're going to be having a look at the S&P 500 futures chart. But just before I start today's video, as always, anyone who's interested in joining my free analysis group over on Telegram, then please do not hesitate to scan this QR code on your screen. But let's start here by having a look at the S&P 500. Yesterday was a very choppy trading session. Let's just have a look at it. On the hour chart, it was so much chop yesterday. We were back and forth, but up and down, and we pretty much ended where we pretty much started the day, around that 3,612 area. So we had that initial pop up towards around 3,620. We went all the way down to 3,570, all the way up to 3,643, which were the swing highs. And in a matter of 30 minutes, we crashed all the way to the swing lows down around 3,568, and then we ended our day pretty much where we started. So that's what we call a roller coaster trading session, because you end where you pretty much started, as I just mentioned. And it just shows you how much and how quickly this market can change in such a short period of time. But if in doubt, you have to zoom out. And as I've been stating for the past couple of weeks, we have just finished this Elliott Wave 5-phase structure, and we are now trading within an ABC correction pattern. And I have to come out and continue to back up what I've been saying for the past couple of sessions now. I truly believe that we are on the cusp of having a extremely strong rally here in the S&P 500, which will take out this 3,800 swing high, this A wave, and we will go higher, perhaps above the 50-day EMA, which currently sits at around 3,875. I'm very, very bullish. I think we just need a catalyst. We just need some news. I feel like the CPI coming out tomorrow could potentially be that catalyst if inflation comes in a lot softer than expected, which many do believe it will. But there's also, the other side who don't think that inflation has peaked yet. So it's going to be very interesting as we go into tomorrow's trading session. But I just want to quickly draw your attention to something called the AAII Sentiment Survey. Now, this is basically a chart which shows you how bearish or bullish the sentiment is at any particular time. It's kind of like the VIX. And at this moment in time, I think last week was the lowest reading we've had dating all the way back to 1990. Okay, and we're still minus 30%, which is incredible. Anything that's below 20% is pretty much a buy signal on this chart. But we are right now at record lows that take us all the way back to 1990. And I just want to draw your attention to see what happened back in 1990. We had that initial pierce below, I think it was around 38% or 40%, and we had that massive move towards the upside. And that's what I'm kind of anticipating here as we go into the latter end of 2022. I want that massive rip towards the upside that could be potentially that next bear market rally here for the S&P 500. So as I've mentioned, going into the next couple of trading sessions, I really am expecting a rip your face off rally towards the upside. Do I think that this market could ultimately go lower? Absolutely. I think that 3,200 is fair value here for the S&P 500, and we will see that price. But bear markets have bear market rallies. The market can't just move in one direction, and I think it's very dangerous to be super bearish right now. Yes, the market may end lower, but you can't just be selling here, because bear market rallies do happen, and if you sold down here, then you would have had to, or you would have most likely probably lost a lot of money. It's just part of the market cycle, and I feel like we are now due the next bear market rally.
There's Apple's under pressure.
You buy stocks on Tuesday and sell them on Friday.
The market is as volatile as you'll ever see.
Traders saying this is the craziest day they have ever seen in these markets. Veteran traders saying they've never seen anything like it.